How to change the brake pads in an electric scooter. First you need to have a brake pads, also one from Shimano. Everyone has a different model, so there you go. There's a lock which needs to be taken off. What you need is fresh pair of scissors. Doesn't need to be fresh, it needs to be scissors. You need to straighten them up, and I'm talking about the lock. There you go, there you go. And then pull it, and it's out. Do not lose it. And then you can easily lift the pads with your fingers. There you go, that's the pad. You see? It's half. Okay, this one looks okay, but it's the other one, which I lost it somewhere. Oh, it's, yeah, sometimes. There you go, there you go, there you go. There you go. How is it? It still looks good. Okay, so this one doesn't look? I don't know. It looks good, but braking is kind of lame. I don't know. Those brakes are not the greatest brakes in the world. Anyway, in the box we do have new pads, which are looking a bit different, and all kinds of pins. We can use the old pin because it's shorter and it's just a pin. It doesn't matter. Anyway, we do have a spring, so just do it like this, and this is it. Yeah, this is it. Slide it in. In theory this should work. Alright. And where's the pin? Let's take the old one. Old one is perfectly fine. Alright. And done! Mission complete. How long it will take me? Like 5 minutes? That's how easy it is with a Kukirin G4. Super easy. And Shimano brakes, original brakes, are compatible. So there you go. Nice.